Should I prepay my home loan? A question that has many ifs and buts if you try to answer. Well, if we go by the conventional wisdom as passed on to us by our parents, we shouldn't have any loan in the first place. And I agree with that wisdom almost always, unless we are talking about home loan. In my opinion, it should be the only loan you ever take in your life, as it comes with low interest rate and tax benefits. The tax benefits are only applicable if you buy a ready to move in home, which you should. All those big benefits of buying an under construction home that you see in a newspaper advertisement are nothing but a marketing scam. Coming back to the question, should you prepay your home loan? Well, the answer to that question could be quite complex, but that's not what this channel is about. As always, I'll keep it simple. The first thing to consider here are the investment options, just in case you decide not to prepay the home loan. If you're someone who is in love with those fixed deposit with government sponsored banks, then you will never be able to make more than the interest you pay on your home loan even after adjusting for tax benefits. So it's better to prepay your home loan. But if you are someone who invests in debt mutual funds or equity, then we should consider the option to invest instead of prepaying that home loan. The second important consideration to make is your tax bracket and outstanding loan amount. If you have an outstanding home loan of under 40 lakhs and you fall under the highest tax bracket of 30%, then you have a very strong case of opting to invest instead of prepaying your home loan. And on top of that, if you also invest into equity through mutual funds or ETFs or directly by purchasing stocks, then there is no case for you to prepay. You should simply go ahead and invest that extra cash that you have. But what if you fall under the lower tax brackets? Well, here it gets a bit tricky, especially if you fall under the lowest tax bracket. Even after adjusting for tax benefits, your effective home loan interest rate won't come down significantly. In this case, you should keep it simple. If you are investing into equity, then choose investment. Otherwise, you better prepay your home loan and get peace of mind. And finally, one more point to remember. Over a period of time, as your outstanding loan amount comes down, your tax benefit will reduce as well. And in that scenario, your effective home loan rate will go up. So if your outstanding loan is less than 10 lakhs, only choose investment over prepayment if you are an equity investor. And that is it. I hope you did find it useful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.